Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I have a very good news for you all, and you are going to love it a lot. Yeah, as you know, we all use Character.AI to chat with our AI characters. It's pretty fun. But the problem is, I get really annoyed when I encounter the filters on Character.AI. It completely destroys my roleplays. It's really very sad to see. And Character.AI also has started to block people from chatting due to the new age verification system. It's really unusable now. So that's why I recently found a very awesome Character.AI alternative while I was surfing the internet. And this Character.AI alternative is completely free to use. Yeah. This platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? Now the latest update is that StoryChat has just now released a new update on their platform. And this new update is literally crazy. Yeah, let me tell you about it. Basically, you can now make whole stories and series with your AI characters, and you can share them with others, watch them, and enjoy them together. Yup. Yeah. I know a lot of people might be confused about what stories are. So let me explain it nicely. Stories is like a collection of your AI chats. With the Stories feature, you can put together your AI chats with your characters in the form of episodes. You can order the chats however you like, and then you can give a whole name to this collection of chats. And you can even upload thumbnail for it. After that, you can make this story public or private as per what you want. If you make the story public, then all the users on StoryChat will be able to see your series. They will be able to go inside your series and see all the episodes that you have put inside the story in the form of episodes. And they can sit back, enjoy reading the AI chats inside that story. So basically, it's like watching a Netflix series where you have episodes in form of texts. I hope you understand it now. People will also be able to like and comment on your series too. This is really a very interesting feature, not gonna lie. And StoryChat has made it very easy to make stories. Yeah. To make your own story, you simply have to go to the menu and then you have to just click on the Create button here. After that, you will see the new Stories section right here. Just click on the Create button and boom. Then you will come to the Stories creation interface. Here you simply have to give the name to your story. After that, you can choose a category for it. Once you did that, the next step is to add your chats inside this story. You can simply click the Add button and choose any chat that you want. You can add as many chats as you want inside your story. Once you added the chats, you can give this story series a thumbnail and a description too. And after that, you can choose its visibility and restriction. Once everything is done, you can simply press Create and your story will officially get created on StoryChat and it will get published too. And if your story is public, then all the people on StoryChat will be able to see your stories. They will be able to see the stories and see all your chats inside the story. And then they can enjoy all they want. Similarly, you can see the stories of other people too. This is really a very crazy and amazing feature. People can publish all kinds of stories with their characters. This was the whole new update by StoryChat. Also, by the way, StoryChat is currently holding a big contest for making stories. It will end on May 31st. You just have to make stories, and you can win a lot of awards too, which is pretty cool. And that is the new update that StoryChat has just released on their platform. It's really so good. This feature makes the platform so lively now. I am really happy with this feature. You should definitely give it a try too. What are your thoughts on this new feature, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot platform-related news. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.